What's up, YouTube? Here's a recap for the SPX 0809 SPX that we got. Here are the common cards. Kung, what can you say? What can you say?
Scandal, naging scandal.
Takin na lalagay ko sa YouTube to.
Naging scandal.
Base cards.
Dito, wala yan.
Rudy Gay.
Robert, isang loot card lang yan. 30,000. Yan, o.
Jason Richardson. Tony Parker.
Wala, yung mga...
Yao Ming. Caron Butler. Francisco Garcia. That's the cousin. Robert Garcia.
Wala yan, mamaya, magpakahirap na dyan.
Carmelo Anthony. Base card. Jason Kidd.
Uy, mahal din yun,
Puro mahal ang walk card.
Al Horford.
Sino yung RC mo? Si Mio?
Hingin naman ni Papa Ray, wala nang thrill.
Mio Uno?
Luol Deng.
Bam!
Rashard Lewis.
Bam!
Ano yan?
Emeka Okafor.
Ihuli mo yung
More bam!
Gerald Wallace.
Retired!
Dwight Howard.
Good player. Very good player.
Guys, don't listen to that guy. He's a bit insane in the brain. Hido Turkoglu.
The Turkey star.
Pesos to eh.
Corey Brewer.
Is that Brewer? Ronnie Brewer?
Chauncey Billups.
He's not a Nugget,
Greg Oden. And one base card of Dirk Nowitzki which I sold for 50 pesos.
Which is equivalent to $1.
The insert cards are as follows. Walter Sharp. Sharp as a blade. Dual jersey of Sean Livingston and Marcus Camby. LA Clippers.
Jackpot na jackpot to. Pwede mo bukas pa nga ng
Jermaine O'Neal. Freshman orientation. Brook Lopez.
Ayan, align dyan ha.
Sunny Wims.
Sunny Beam sa akin, pulitin natin.
Kamagulo. Al Thornton and Marcus Camby. Number 4. Chris Bosh, Toronto Raptors.
Yes, not bad.
And the hits, the main event.
Main event.
Base parallel 14 of 25.
KG.
Gold parallel of Kevin Garnett.
I'm still number one.
Rookie card of J.R. Giddens. Triple jersey, number 599. J.R. Giddens from the Boston Celtics. One. Kevin Durant. Dual jersey. Winning materials. Numbered 1. 1 of 5. There you see. There, 1 of 5.
Star of the day.
And the best hit that we got is triple jersey, 3 colors, Spectrum. I don't know if it's a Spectrum or a Radiance.
I think that's a fixture.
76 of 99. OJ Mayo.
I think that's fixed.
OJ Mayo.
Kaya po made.